Hello guys, my name is Natalia and today I will show you some art that I have in my apartment. Let's start from the drawing that you might have noticed in the previous video apartment overview. A big part of my sketches collection before 2022 is located above our headboard. Here I have a quick sketch of my husband sleeping in our Airbnb apartment in Copenhagen. A sketch of old house in Marmaris during our hiking trip to Turkey. Colorful watercolor of a house on a boardroom sea line. Here is a page from my hiking diary from our Lycian Way trail, about the dog that we met, the plants I've never seen in such size. A coastal house in boardroom. It looked to me a bit chaotic, the architecture there, but it was so picturesque and I liked it. And just these quick lines, I think, correspond to the mood of wind and sea and warm summer weather. And I mixed here also the postcards of our trip to Lisbon, my favorite location in the city so far, this old elevator. Another group of sketches is located above the work table in the living room. Here I placed the drawings from our old apartment in Ukraine. I had a cupboard of my grandmother with this nice old handle and a key. It's a really precious memory to me. At that time I made something like a day-by-day drawing challenge when I was drawing the things that I liked and that were around me. This is from a trip with my mother and the mother of my husband to Montenegro, and this was the house which we rented when we lived there during our short vacation. And when I look at this picture, I just remember the sun setting behind the mountain. It brings me so much joy. And this one is called A Flower on a Table. It's also a flower in an old pot, just a corner of my old living world. And on the right is one of my latest painting with blue ink of a coastal line in Rhodes. And it was made quick enough, and I like the energy and this feeling of the sea and blue color on the wall. I think it looks really nice. Some of the drawings I put in our living area behind the sofa, and here I drew our current apartment in totally different colors than it looks in reality. I was inspired by Van Gogh exhibition, and we just came from Amsterdam from visiting a museum with my mom, so I tried to combine brighter colors, some different textures. I experimented with acrylic and pencil drawing on top of it. I like the result. And here is another Van Gogh inspired drawing of my plant. I have two portraits of my beloved ones in one frame. What I like about these drawings is just a simple and quick technique of your lines. You don't have to think a lot about your mistakes, you just do it, and from the second or third attempt you make a nice quick sketch that you can frame and put on the wall. In my kitchen I put some of my latest drawings, which I use as posters. I showed them already to you in the apartment overview. On a poster with a cat, I first tried to make an unusual painting of an animal, and it was a present for my uncle's birthday. So the cat, he has this very active and smart, and he has a difficult tricky character, and I think this painting reflects it very good. And on the painting with coleus plant that I have on my kitchen windowsill, I left a lot of white space and just was wondering how it will look like in the final painting, and it turned out well, so I was really happy with that trial of the materials. Some of the drawings I just keep in my sketchbooks, they are like photo cards. They remind me of places I lived or visited before and the things that inspired me. Let's take a look at some of them. So this one is from 2019, from our trip to Copenhagen. The interior there was so nice and cozy and so simple at the same time, with vintage furniture, collection of the postcards, plants and lights and wooden floors. So I wanted to remember it, and that's why I made this drawing of an interior where we lived for some time. And this drawing is from our walk in the city and just dining together in the Mexican cafe. This was the first realistic portrait of Dennis, my husband, and I like the combination of these very loose lines with a little bit more worked area of his head and even these tiny hairs on his chin. This is a series of drawings that I made during our hiking trip on Lycian Way in Turkey. It was in December 2020, and that was the first time when I decided to keep something like a memory book with drawings and feel it in the end of each day, and it turned out like a combination of thoughts, memories and pictures at the same time. And these are the sketches from another trip to Lycian Way, and of us sleeping under these old gravestones in some kind of acropolis, and my thoughts and feelings about it. Here is another very cold day in the mountains. That was one night when we slept inside the house, but it was actually colder than sleeping in a tent. But when we opened our door finally in the morning, we saw such a nice sunny view, and I wanted to remember it. And here is a painting from another trip to Turkey. And in these pictures I tried the first time to leave the blank space on the paper and not to fill it completely with the color, which gave it a little bit of glow and some feeling of water and waves and city lights. And this is a quicker sketch, also from the same trip to Bodrum. We were traveling around the coast by bike, and sometimes we were stopping and I was drawing the landscapes. What I like about this drawing is that I did not focus much on painting or drawing perfect and trying to keep rather the state of nature than drawing it realistically. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked my art and this overview. Let me know what you think of it and if it's worth making posters of some of my sketches. I plan to make the second part of the sketches overview. I will tell about my blue ink drawings and travel to Croatia and sketches from the Germany cities. I hope this video inspired you, and I wish you a very nice day and see you in the next video.